Welcome back to Vegas Classic Muscle Cars Video Showcase. This is a 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. Under the hood of this Corvette is a 350 cubic inch V8 engine. It also has power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning, and is backed by a 4-speed manual transmission. As we walk around this Corvette, notice the great stance, nice wheels, new BF Goodrich tires, and the glass T-tops. The interior is done in its original doeskin color and styling. It also features an upgraded radio and has tilt wheel. Make sure to keep up with our website at vegasmusclecars.com as our inventory is constantly changing, or give us a call at 702-450-2277. Also, go ahead and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Vegas Classic Muscle Cars, classic automobiles. They're what we love and they're who we are.